The Yiddish Book Center is excited to be part of Bloomberg Connects, the free mobile app that brings you interactive digital guides for museums and cultural institutions across the world. Let's go take a look. Our digital guide includes information to help you plan your visit and features highlights of our groundbreaking exhibition, Yiddish, a Global Culture. Bloomberg Connects is available for iOS and Android devices. Once you've downloaded the app, simply search for the Yiddish Book Center in the top left search bar and get ready to explore countless objects, videos, and audio clips that tell the story of Yiddish and the people who have created, consumed, and safeguarded this extraordinary culture. Step into our recreation of Peretz's Salon, where countless Yiddish writers and artists were mentored by the literary giant I.L. Peretz at the turn of the 20th century. Or explore the rich history of the Yiddish theater and see unique artifacts like a young girl's autograph book featuring well wishes from famous Yiddish actors. So, whether you're at the center and using Bloomberg Connects to enhance your visit, or browsing our exhibition from thousands of miles away, you can discover a lebendige Welt, a lively world of Yiddish culture.